oworumi orwo bubonero akatiko akarukurwanira rubugabe bw'abantu aka Uganda Human Rights Commission katandika okuhereza enchwamo eyemishango 15 eyatabarizibwe okurga oma districts agomu burenje rw'izuba. Miriam Wandiyaga orukura akatiko aka yahigabo bona abacerukuru batera obugabe bw'abanya-Uganda ngo bacimanyingwa amateka nigisha kubavunana.
Shahina zakasheshe Elizoba akashika ka the Human Rights Commission akaba kakurirwe mukuru w'ekigombe eki n'aba commissioners bashatu babanza kuhereza enchwamwe yo mushango gwa Emmanuel Nabimanya owabira ryembohe omuchome cya Rugonji omuri Kiruhura ahi omupolisi owamanyanka wanda wanyama yamutire nkoni ezamwasira umutwe zikamuhutaza no mukono nukwe kwirukangerera omukakikwaka omwaka gw'2014 no kwisyo bwa hati atuire nahozo mushangogo.
He was entitled to safety and protection. The same state agency he expected to protect him are the ones who visited on him untold physical pain and mental agony. This was betrayal. Naimaya was viciously beaten on the head with a sick and long stick. He suffered a cut on his head, which caused him heavy breathing. The immense physical and mental pain he suffered is seen on his head, but also on his face.
Omukuhereza enchwamu y'omushangogu akachiko karagira government okukita Emmanuel Nabimanya $15 bwanyuma yo kusinga omushangogu kandi ogu ebintu byo byatugambera.
Complainant is allowed. The respondent is ordered to pay the complainant 15 million Uganda cedis as general damages for violation of his right to protection from torture, cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment or punishment. 3. The 15 million Uganda cedis will carry an interest of 10% per annum from the date hereof until payment is full.
Hata hinatungire obuzubo bo muchome niho natabarize kejo Human Rights kugira ngo yenyambe abo kubori yakari mu serikali wa government ntene ikuntu kumbasa nyonkanye komuntu nipo kwezo nsa Human Rights ngo yenyambe kuna agarikira mukana agarikayo no bumugo ne family yanjye ninyende kugirebera ibingi tinki biyekora bo kubati nkamuga konka ntango bwahereza amagara ibibyona yo ninkerezana na koto kuyacu mushango.
Abakachiko bayihanangiza abanya-Uganda okwejumbira omukarura karukwisha omwihorere.
Wareba ngo obugabe bwawe bwarubatirwa nobasa kwija mu offices zitwa hambarra twine abantu abakubasa kwakira omburungi regional offices abashema abarubirizi abakiruhura bona bagureta mbarra mwijaho muri mbarra no hababo mushango gwawe nugukurwa konka nitwe nkaba kumedembe ryo buntu bituje kuba turyo tutambatambura myanye tari yemwe kureba karura ko katambara kandi kureba nkagendo musingi
arikurra akachiko akayoyoreka ku emishangwe myingi ari 15 egi neyo kurubatirira obugabe bw'abanya-Uganda kandi myingi neyembohe ziri kubazifeirire ommekono ya polisi.
Alleged violations of the right to life, the right to protection from torture, cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment, and the right to personal liberty.
Akachiko aka akatandika Elizoba nako kuhendera ombero bibiri ahi barahereza enchwamu y'emishango yona eyatabarizibwe. Nde Michael tumwachire aba TV West Agacencwire.
Webare Michael tumwachire ntugumizamo n'amakuru Agacencwire impaka z'amashomero ga primary ezihanga ryona ezo kweshongora okuzina hamwe na nebitaguro ziriyone zigendo misho ahari Mbarara Junior hamwe na Mbarara High School aho mu Rembo urwambara ezamara ebiro bibiri kandi amashomero agarukurenga 125 okwetorori hanga ryona ngo gazeta biremo.
empaka z'amashomero ga primary zaharurengo rw'ihange zo kweshongora ebitagurira hamwe n'emizano ziriyo nizigenda omumisho ahari Mbarara Junior hamwe na Mbarara High School aho muri Mbarara. Amashomero aga ankora gazetabiremu gariyo nagakora kurungi. Ebirukayanurwa harimo emizano ebitongerero ebitaguriro hamwe n'amazina ganda genzarwa za speech hamwe na poems hamwe n'ebindi. Amashomero agaruka ikigana 25 kurgombya bitari mumwe na mwo kwetorora ihanga no kugazetabiremu kandi agacanga cha ankore harimo irya Mbarara Junior Tayayise, Mbarara Municipal, Koloma Primary School, Revival Primary School, Ibanda Chuvura hamwe n'agandi kandi agagona gariyo nagakora kurungi. Bamwe mbebembeza bahiko umwanya ugu hine batugambira
umwaka ogu ombyo kweshongora no kugira ngo tahwembera taho buryo kureba ngo umuntu yakurra omuteka burungi uko mwana yakuzwaje yareberwaje yatura omututreka kirungi no community nungi yabasa kutunga okutunguka arukuraba omuhangwa n'omuntu obuteko buruho obwarukurra.
We hope that we have reduced crashes of children between ages of 5 and 18 and hope that in the message that we are creating or in the education that we are creating for children in road safety is something that they can replicate and teach their parents, teach their communities, carry forward in their futures, and hopefully that in the future we have reduced traffic crashes.
We guarantee that your security is available, and want to assure you that Mbarara City is a safe and secure city for you to stay for the time you will be here.
When pupils compete like this in MDD, they learn to realize that only one choir emerges the winner, and others get different positions. This forms their first appreciation of politics and democracy. I am therefore very optimistic the children will not be among those who lose in an election and go on to complain that they have been cheated, rather than gracefully accepting defeat.
Ezo mwaka oguzitebeekanisibwa hakurwanisa obutabanguko bw'omumaka okurwanisa omuswija gw'ensiri okucendeeza za butanduza aha nguuto okumarraho kimwe okutuntuzibwa kw'abaana okutungura eby'obuyonjo omu maka hamwe n'ebindi kandi nizija kuhenderaho izooba rya Sande. Ahabwa TV West nde era akiza
webare akiza twagumiza mu namakuru abari kugira ngo bakasinga karuru ka NRM mu district ya Kiruhura bitu babura kuranjirwa bariyo nebetombwitwa kandi nibenda President Yoweri Museveni ataho mu nshonga zabo.
Okurujira abantu ababiye besimbire ahantebezo bw'ebembezi zitari zimwe umurinya bushozi Kiruhura beino kwetombitwa ngo bururu bwabo tuburabira mu mazima na buringaniza.
Nyendo buringaniza sherita unukanso abantu bakatera karuru kabo kandi ekitira abantu abamwe baruhakanisa ngo karuru muko kagenzire nuko uhuru umuntu nanjye twiko kubirigireho akaruru kan ko kagenzire apana two kagenzire mbone ko kanitangara kuko atubururo bunabire msingise bakamwongera bakagaruka bakasharo wanje hata bakandangirira mu nyururu ruhenda 20
Nishaba chairman wa party kan president wetu mkundwa president Museveni niwe mukama yitu, niwe chairman wetu, niwe matsiko gaitu, niwe maisho gaitu mu NRM ngo yambe umuri nyabushozi tubentumanya mukara primary zo kuronda candidate abantu abanyabushozi abagizi bakaruru batunga mu gishogo babuhawe abana kandi tobakwera kitari cy'abantu bake ukurwo bakagira ngo abanyabushozi entere yanyu tukwikizana nayo tuzakoresa sengeza yitu tuzakoresa ifuba akaruni kagira n'ibyo
omu hari umujyo samutaremwa wabira isimbire na Wilson Kajwenje ahantebe yo bunyishengero ahabwanya bushozi cyuruhura Amos Masco ahabwa chairman LC3 Rushere Town Council na Henry Kirmani ahabwa chairman LC3 Nyakashashara ababona nabagira ngo bururu bwabo bukaba mwenguzi okushorora no kutinisizibwa omiringo mingi
so tuinamatsiko mayindi itwankati mu jozamu omukaki kwako akatrebino akabuza ku shujuma ya shomazei
na Henry Kirmani tugambireho nawe kandi ibi nibyo bigambo bye
omaisho gabazaire n'abagurusi batereye nekereza namuri kure emyaka 5 konke emyaka 5 eki eyakuza kukora yanahendera mazima Nyakashashara mwakire Kirmani abajwekere omugombora yiti Nyakashashara haza Nyakashashara gendo mumaisho
Josa Mutaremwa akaba yisimbire na Wilson Kajwenje kandi Amos Masco ayisimbire n'abandi bana abari mu matini cyanya wango otwira hantebeje rero Kirmani na Andrew Rwachija nawe ushangirwaho mukuru webyo bururu mu cyangeki enshongeze nagira ngo nazimanyaho kunkati yabasa kuzishoboraho kirukiraho ahabo kugira ngo hine byamutamba ikono
Otuwariyo mu delegates conference
ndi Sande William ahabwa TV West
webare Sande William omurevu witu wa TV West umurungi ni kusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare na no kutorana okureba TV West kiriyo makuru agacencwire konka twaza kumuraho tugarukana makuru agandi
agarukurataho president otwere netwendo buringaniza cyuruhura abasinjirwa bururu no betumwita
niwe chairman wetu niwe matsiko gaitu niwe maisho gaitu mu NRM
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Kurukubujwireje turukwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajweka abashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enungi abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nungi is original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwa rugo kubanza room number ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
everything kubienda
Penkoni yakwera utamuye umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni noshumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakini cyo kunywa chonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje tere kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinywa de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata
nawe nywako
tunga icupa yawe hati mu maduka gakuri hihi no mu mabarago no mu ihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkone wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecanyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms is self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho era no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 38
Manya gange nze mugerwa John Bulega mbera wanto ni mukono wano mutufake nyinyi bapangu kitcheno kakaka bange engije mpangu mu pikipiki bakama bafabe mutieni bazene promotion yene yakola tune era mbadde ndi mukulya kamene ngamba kangeze so mukisa gwange nempita kiyambi wa MTN na nyambako nandira ku nusulu 10 ku account yange ya MTN ya line yange nangulira akakola tune angulide kanne yanziza na ngamba guze kashiba era wamaze okungulira akakola tune akakashiba era kwate namba ne bagitaba mukulu wekyo MTN okupati mbadde muwanguzi wempangulidde mukunyenya nempita mu kalulu wento nempita bakama bange era nga neyanziza nnyo neyanzege ddala MTN oye MTN kyaddala ebya MTN kyaddala enseera aba enjuba ekyayaka piki ndikutte misana neyanziza nnyo ddala abe MTN.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and going so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar. It's strong and last long. Alright, listen up. Colgate is on a mission.
It's kind of a big deal. Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature syrup and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth.
New Colgate Herbal with Salt combines traditional nature's herbs with a pinch of salt and Colgate Science. A natural recipe for strong teeth and healthy gums.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batu mu kidara, kabataka jiremu. Gamusita kiziri. DJ achumna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka tugumuzana tukumete kwatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyene. Dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konka tanywe mgo. Nikushecherera.
Otwirone cyetengo ecyo kwera heru konkoi n'ubweremwa bwa sente. His recruitment experts abari kutwara abana hero korerayo bakurita umuce gwabusha abujuna bishi abimyaka 20 okwisari 80 nibetingwa okurira cyayi cyenyonye Dubai Airport nka stewards, customer service, aviation workers, cleaners, security guards, check-in agents nendiza nyamwinji visa na air ticket nebyabusha odafirwa mu cyogo okwanitsa no kwabusha free registration interviews nizo kuba chayika cheka Mbarara arwa mkaga ebiru 23 na Sande 24 byo kwa mnanoku rero bakasese foot poto chenjojo nemyanyeri hihi nebiru 26 hamwe na 25 byo kwezoku ari bomba grounds foot poto shebiri zakasheshe esimu not mushanju ina not rukumi ni kuzinga noti mushanje ina itani itano hamwe na noti mushanje ina noti emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga.
Kayo uko mukahumuro tukiriyo mu makuru Agacencwire kandi agishwekeki akaciko akaruteza ubururu omukibine cha NRM akakwebemberwa Dr. Tangodoy Elizoba Karangera Adrien Kobusinje National Chairperson wa Women's League hamwe na Ined Mwesije nkomuhwezuwe kandi akaruru aka Entrepreneurs League kayemerezwa ahabo kujunanwa basacha baraba okushereka batezi bakaruru
gutorana abanyabutegetsi batari bamwe na bamwe mu kigombe cya NRM harurengo rutarumwe na rumwe kuriyo no kugenda misho muri Kampala ekitongore kiri kujunanizwa kutera akaruru mu kitongore iki cyagemeserezwa ukwemeza akaruru kaba Entrepreneurs League bwanyuma ya bamwe ombesi imbireho okuhereza okweto mwito kwabo bari kujunana umwe umubayisimbireho okushereka abatezi bakaruru.
For us, we want to vote for the entrepreneur.
My dear friends, we are women. We have been here for goodness.
They have not all these members yesterday. They spent 8 a.m. to almost 6, 7, and they came back without tags. Then all the rest of these guys have tags, and most of them are not entrepreneurs. How did they get the tags? Yes.
Once you are national leaders, you become a national leader. You are not a national leader because of your tribe. You are a national leader because you have the qualities to be a national leader. And therefore, it is a warning to all party leaders and party members. We have to stop tribalizing party positions, stop bringing religion in our elections.
habaho kutera kwa karuru kabakazi ahande ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi aha National Chairperson Women's League Adrien Kobusinje yasinga n'ubururu mutwaro gumwe 838 yakuratwa Kibo wa Farida n'ubururu kagashanju nabandi kandi we Jofrey Kalisa cyo mukama yakarugamu kugira ngo utikerezana na bamwe umubantu abaresere okutera karuraka kandi akabakazi ba Western Ined Mwesije no yakasinga. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tukija tutinao kutora ya turaza ya turisa kwa sababu na tunaenda chakula
nibashaba nibatakagira umutima bibi. I'm very ready kujangu ikintu kindi kutandika nacho tudu adina kureka cyacu nkaka mbete tugani because at the end of the day atwinira karimo riyo mucyaro so mutakurwa n'entaro kantine reason yo kurana bentaro
mbweni nyowe nisimo munyambabazi mukama nisimaranga munonga ahabo kuba cyanje cyarengo kuteka kwanje ezinemba bazarahanga
nabwanyuma umukarura katirwe Honorable Tom Butime nuwasingire aka historicals wakazili kashingirwe rwakajara ari nitwe Eldare League kasingirwe Pene na Businge, Veterans kasingirwe Lieutenant Moses Mushabe, Disabilities kasingwa Shafik Mwanje kandi akemenyeto kayemerezwa ahashonga zitari zimwe na zimwe. Izoba rya nyencyakare hariho bururu bwo gutorana arajwekere ekibina cya NRM omusek omubicweka bya Western, Northern, Eastern, Central na Vice Chairman hamwe na Chairman bita Karuru Kamani nikija kuba ahagati ya Speaker w'ishengero Annette Among na Rebecca Kadaga ahamwanya gwa Second National Vice Chairman Female. Kanda honoho Minister wa Merama yashaba Kadaga okuronda Karuru bitari kirangu President n'wari kumurwanza.
The next slide is this one, madam.
Daga kugira ngo president afira ari kigongo iti yamfo icyo ni yangu ni blackmail nashi nanda yarga muramu abukuwa president akabaha chance ngo bagambe bombi we ka chairman bona nabi so kuba kubura kwikirizana nkimanyisa ngo twaza kubaterera Karuru so na abuye president we umurimo gwo gukozire yagambira abakibungo bakikizana bari yabargamo bitsimbira president kuba batiro mwishazi barugamo kunkaba abakazi bombe ntebe bagenda
bitu nabwanyuma abahagize babasajja baraba bataha mwanya go bari kutereraho Akaruru bari kugira ngo utine Karuru ko nakaraterwe baba batabikirize okutera Karuru kawe gasha kwa Jime Muhumza webare Jime Muhumza okutusyaho ahabiri kugendo misho umurkororo kuriya umar Kampala tugumizamo n'amakuru agandi umuhabuzi wa president ahabwe nshonga za manifesto kandi ohereze kwatira NRM bendera komunyishengero owashema Southern district ya Shema Professor Ephraim Kamuntu arabwira abatura bashema kandi abahagizi abekibina echa NRM ngo begendesereze bamwe mu bantu batahira mu kibina cha NRM barkweyeta abebembezi kandi ubwe bine bigenderwa byabe bindi. Umuhabuzi wa president ahabwe nshonga za manifesto kandi kwasire bendera ya NRM ahabwa Shema South Professor Ephraim Kamuntu okuhabura abantu kwegendesereza bebembezi bebicipuri n'ubwabira rya hamukoro go kusema kwa Apollo Buzarechi obire na Sima Ruhanga ahabwo kumara byo mu bintu byinji
twebazana ntumusima imabari ya mchege yamuramu ekinde kibeto mwebembezi to lead okwebembera abantu bakakurata bagenzi banje there is a degree of integrity you must have.
Okusima kwa Lei Canon Apollo Buzarechi orumukuru w'abakristaya habwa Kampala chapter kubiro makaje omaraka sana kandi kwebembirwe Bishop wa West Ankole Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twinomushini washabira abantu bona okugumana basima Ruhanga
abeshemu ikintu cyo kusima ni kimwe abintu bikorwa ekiri kutunywanisa na Ruhanga kikahame mukagugu itu nawe kandi kikatunywanisa n'abantu batahi bitu.
Bishop Twinomushini agambira bicereza ahabwe nco muntu nasima kandi asima bahi
nobasa kumusima abo kukikokorera nobasa kumusima abo kukikora no ko atakikorera iriwe two exactly hato ko eje kati yanje kunkabo kinanimba simu si abo kutaweke hurire na musima so otarsima umuntu ngo no yakugamba oje no basa kumusimira n'ikinde cyakozere no cyakwanwe kikugasara nakikugasara abandi.
Lei Canon Apollo Buzarechi agambira bicereze nshonga ahabwe nce na Sima Ruhanga
kubw'imbaza Ruhanga shimiriwe karatwira
twebeze ibintu bishatu umukayitu cyo kubanza ruhanga okutora hona n'uruhanga mwento busima ahatuhire ehituri n'ibyaturabizwe mbiyo
in a special way our Lord Bishop and your family, we thank you so much. You've been so dear to our hearts as a family. Even in the times when we had some turbulent times, I remember you had a phone call with my father one time when I was with him, and it really warmed us as a family.
Asaba Deacon wa Kitagata Reverend Canon Arthur Atwine asimire Bishop ahabutwarubire agahika akusima kwa bicereza be
simaranga munonga yashirize iki abantu planning aranga n'urugira ki naye bare ayakiriza program iki twakira mbena mu izina ry'Obusaba Deacon no mu izina ya kanunanye
Lei Canon Apollo Buzareti emyeze ebire hingwire akahikwaho ekikirizi yaferwe nte munana hamwe na n'ekibera cyahe kama 20 ecyayo kibomuro amakuru agagasha kwa Abraham Ganzi webare Abraham Ganzi niyongera kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na noktorana okureba TV West studio makuru agacenjure ongazaga gatumure ukace tugarukana makuru aganje
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa ukwinjira graduation okusima enchikoza AGM nemikore ndizo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kensheko tina events ni bashangwa ahacombe kwa Central Market room na 17 ahamba guta street Mbarara City ukumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanje mukaga hatano n'itano cyenda ngenda ananeyina tina events nito twengo muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mukume mubecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ino chama chayo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hango ni kugoba kabitfuruza ndi bivirigize company limited utakagize myaka 18 utanywa
Chibaya Youth Development Sako aba kugom kurwanisa bworo okubika sente hamwe no kuhereza loan za hanshaji nche bakwetera voluntary savings, group savings, institutional savings hamwe na junior savings, direct agriculture loans, bakwinira business loans, agriculture loans, border loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, home improvement loans, hamwe na women and youth empowerment loans. Bashanje muri Sagata Trading Center Nyakaejo Mbarara City ahitaje rukuru bina matajo muruti koranoria hamwe na Nyamitanga. Ebiri kuciraho za website www.chibayisako.co.ug ninga atera note ibiri note chenda nemwe abina mshanju nkaga na mnana ninga note ishatu mwenda ishatu 10 Chibaya Youth Development Sako, Unity and Development.
So nimbaza